Alright, welcome back to Pinball Help. Here we are with the Bally 35 MPU board installed back in the game here, and we've got our memory capacitor. As you can see, there it is sitting on the board installed, and we've got everything wired in. I fired up the game, I added some credits, I let it sit for a few minutes, make sure everything was charged up, and now we're going to turn the game on, and as you can see, there's no other memory source in there other than that capacitor. So let's see if the game comes up properly and it remembers its settings. There's our little blinky blinks. Alright, 13 games. See, it says 13 credits on the display. That's what we want to see. It's remembering the settings in the game. It even remembers the last score. So our memory capacitor is working. So we're slowly but surely making progress on this machine. And there it is. I wanted to go over one other thing. What is it? Oh. Let's see. I carry around a little log book. You see, I keep a nice little helpful hint is I've got these plastic folders and I put the game manuals and I always keep them in with the game. And I also have a little notebook in here. And this is where I log all of the things that I do to the machine. So I note the date and time, or the date and year that I make all these modifications or enhancements or fixes to the game. So I can go through my logbook, I can see when I rebuilt the rectifier board, when I rebuilt the squawk and talk board, when I modified and fixed the MPU board and replaced the battery and all that. So it's a nice way of having a log of all the repairs that are done on the machine. So if you run into a problem, you can look in your book and go, oh well, it's less likely that it's, say, the capacitors on the soundboard because I fixed those, and so maybe it's something else. So we're slowly but surely making progress on the game. We've got it working. As you can see down here, it's all lit up. The glass is pretty filthy, but I'm still not finished cleaning it and everything. But we've got our memory capacitor in there, and that's working really nice. And I don't know if you've seen, but there's a whole series of videos on this game from the moment I picked it up and unloaded it in my car. I turned on the video camera and you saw it from the moment that I got the machine when it was dead. It would not come on at all. So this is, I think, I don't know, I'm probably about 10-15 videos into this series just working on this one game alone. And it's pretty cool that we've got it working now, and we're slowly making it even better by adding this memory capacitor on the MPU board so that we don't have to worry about batteries leaking anymore, and it'll save the settings. And there you have it. Stay tuned for more. I'm going to continue to get this game operational and nice and smoothly operating, and I'll be sharing that with you, so go to the website at pinballhelp.com. If you're seeing this on YouTube, note that there's a lot more information on the actual website. The videos are kind of interspersed in between texts that I write about what I'm doing to the games and other information. So there's always going to be more information on the website than just watching the YouTube videos. But either way, I appreciate anybody that is taking the time to watch it. I'm having fun with it because it's more than just repairing the machines now. I just turn the camera on and I know that I'm sharing it. I don't claim to be an expert. I'm just learning and sharing what I know as I go. Probably you notice there's no editing. This is all done pretty much in one take. So there's no doubt there's going to be mistakes and flubs. I'm probably going to be looking back at these video series, you know, a year from now going, oh my God, I should just delete those and redo them. But this is part of my experience learning and working on each game that I get, and I hope you enjoy it. So visit pinballhelp.com for more. Thanks for watching.